Okay, now we're going to see what happens if we're going to connect each slices also to the other tables. For example, customer ID. Customer ID is available. I can see in T1 only, so I don't need to change this, but I purchase. So purchase amount is available everywhere. So I'm going, first of all, I'm going to click on multi-select here, sorry, in report connections, and I'm going to click here on, purchase amount here, report connection. I'm going to select all the pivot tables in all the sheets. Okay, so if I'm going to include or exclude, you can see here, I can see all the values. Going to reset here. The customer ID is available only in the first one. So I'm going to see for duration. Duration is available in T3, okay, and in T4. So duration we have. So you can see here we have only T3. Then we have representative. Representative is here in T2. Okay, so we have it in T2. Report connections in T2. Okay, you can see here. Okay, if I click on multi, okay, you see T3. Let's see, September, October, or all. Actions, yes, we have in all. So we can also here, we can also define some ranges for purchase amounts. Okay, rather than have this. But even sometimes this is also not very important. So I can use this representative duration. I have a scroll bar here. I can also decide to do the following here. I'm gonna slice the settings. Okay, we're done. Here in slice properties, I'm going to number of columns. I can have one. Okay, I can keep this as it is. Okay, but and then I put for example duration. I'm gonna put it down like this. This I'm going to make it here like this, and I'm using more columns. Okay, until 5 columns. Representative, I use 2 columns, so 3 columns like this. I can also do it differently. I'm gonna keep this for a while. I can keep this as it is here, but okay. I can also decide to format this. So I'm gonna select on size and properties, size, properties, okay, for this. Okay, we're gonna close this. I'm gonna select this slicer. I'm going to slicer tools, options. I'm gonna see if I can modify this. Okay, well, I can also keep it below as it was before. Okay, yeah, this one I'm going to make it maybe this color. This one, this duration, I'm gonna do this. Okay, so here we're gonna filter this. I'm gonna filter this as well. And I'm going to align this. Align right. And this I'm going to right. Okay, so this is still smaller, and then options. These two I'm going to align top. This, and this. Align, distribute vertically. That's good. So we distributed this vertically, and we have it. Okay, this one we don't need because it's put a bit on the top. Okay, this, and these are options align on the top. So we created our dashboard. So very nice, because here you can see you can have your updates according to this can be done. Okay, so first one, purchase amount, and so basically, as you can see here, you can connect this in this way. And this is going to affect all the others where this data is calculated. Work on this and see how these parts are changing. Okay, you can of course customize this and put the grids here if you want, grid lines or title or etc. Okay, and basically we're done. So we finished this with this video, we finished this session, and you have another dashboard. You know now how to use slices and pivot tables.